This is the Diamond Quartet Cowl. It's worked in the round and the cables cross even at the end of round. All the cables travel continuously from the bottom up to the top. They either travel to the right or they travel to the left. There'll be 2 cables of one color, then 2 cables of another color, then 2 cables of one color, and 2 cables of another. And you see that same pattern when you look at the cables traveling to the left. You'll see 2 of one color, 2 of another color, 2 of the first color, 2 of the other color. The other thing that makes this distinctive motif, this purple one, is traveling under 2 brown ones and then over 2 pink ones, under 2 brown ones, over 2 pink ones, under 2 brown ones. Whenever you follow any cable, it'll have that pattern. These orange ones go under 2 pink, over 2 brown, under 2 pink, over 2 brown. It's true in the other direction as well. If you look at the brown cables, they go under 2 orange, over 2 purple, under 2 orange, over 2 purple.